Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about another amazing platform that pays you to do a lot of things. I'm not going to just say it pays you to complete service because there are so many things you can do on this platform. And like I said in my previous video up there, stop telling me you can't sign up because you live in Nigeria. Join my paid Telegram group. Link is in the description. Let me help you overcome this I live in Nigeria fear. Okay? You can earn from anywhere. You can earn from anywhere. Your location is not a barrier. Also, when you join that platform, there are other benefits that I cannot mention here for now. Join that platform, then you will see. Okay, this platform I'm going to introduce you today is packed with goodies. So the minimum cash out is £4. £4 is the minimum cash out. You're looking for platforms that can pay you. Look for platforms in the UK, US, and Canada, and Australia as well. Forget about all these low paying platforms in Nigeria. It will not help you. Anyway, this week we are sharing platforms that I've earned from and the ones that I'm yet to earn from. If you're the type that always wait for me to earn, or the type that is always asking me in the platform, how much have you earned? This video is not for you. I'm talking to those that will take up this opportunity to earn some money for themselves. If you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, someone who is still juggling between school runs, then you need to be coming to this channel because I'm going to be sharing amazing opportunities. But I'm telling you that location should not be your barrier. You can overcome this barrier issue using some applications. All right, so if you join the paid Telegram group, then you get all this information. But for today, we're going to dive in now. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone. Share it with your son, your daughter, students, those that are struggling. Okay, it's not going to pay your rent, but if you join lots of platforms and the money is coming in, it will do something. Believe me. Okay, let's go there. So the name of this platform is Mobrog, and the website is mobrog.com. Go to Google, search for Mobrog. They have a mobile app that you can download in your phone wherever you are. Download it in your phone. Okay, they pay even more than £2 per survey. Okay, there are lots of things you can do here. You can answer polls every day. You can earn by referring friends. Okay, if I invite you now, you earn some money. I will also earn some money if you're active. The problem I have with you guys is you sign up and then you're gone. How do you expect to earn? Even if you're working in a company and you don't show up for work, they'll sack you. So you need to be active. You need to be active. I haven't earned on this one. Okay, guys, I'm earning from so many platforms. I cannot earn from all of them, but I will keep sharing, like I said. So you want to go to moblog.com. You can see this is my profile and I'm in GB. You know where GB is? That's my location. And my profile is still 8%. I haven't completed my profile. This is my currency, GBP. You know that currency, right? Yeah. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. So you're going to choose from a variety of offers and get rewarded for your activity. Activate your new feature, boost your chances of finding surveys and increase your earning potential. Activate now to earn. So if I complete this now, I'm going to earn this ATP. This ATP you're seeing here is more than 1,000 naira. So yeah, you can actually achieve a lot here. There's live pools that you can participate in on a daily basis. Okay, you can participate in this live pool and be gathering the money. This is my activity page. I haven't really done anything. I signed up today. I've been so busy. Okay, complete your profile. I'm going to complete my profile because besties, I need to start earning. So you have paid offers here that you can explore offers. Look, they have featured all offers. You can see you can play games, earn up to £130 playing games. Look, there are lots of things you can do on this platform to earn money. I'm showing you platforms that really pays, that actually pays. And this is going to be your reward. This is where you're going to see your reward. if you start earning. And the best part, you can cash out once you reach £4. And believe me, once I reach £4, I'm going to, you know, come back and give my reviews like I do. I'll come back with my reviews once I earn up to £4, which is not going to take me time. If I'm serious and want to make it tonight, after recording this video, I'm sure going to make it. So it takes just 5 minutes to complete a profile. And then you get started. For more surveys, feel free to add them to your Google Chrome, but I'm not going to add them there. I'm not going to add them there. So I don't think you should add them because most of you are not here. I can add them if I want to, but I don't want to add them. Don't want them tracking me, so you don't want them also tracking you. Alright? So they have so many things you can actually do here to start earning. You have surveys. If you want to play surveys, you can play and share your links to people. As soon as 3 surveys have been successfully completed, you get 64p for the referral bonus. Just wish some of you are where I am. If you are where I am, you will know that it's quite easy to earn online. It is very easy to earn online. And that is where I'm trying to help you this period to earn. So when you come here, you can select whether you're using Android, that's your phone, iOS or desktop. Let's select Android. So if you select Android, these are games that you can play on your Android devices and get paid. This one is word search. Word search C game. 0 of 15 tasks. You complete 15 tasks and you get paid £13. Snake Clash, you complete 8 tasks and you get paid 90p. Well Boo, you complete 1 task and get paid £5 45p. So this is it here. Well Boo makes investing simple and powerful, giving you access to stocks, ETFs and all of that. Sign up, get approved and deposit £1 to earn your reward. Verify, install, completion before progressing. This may take up to 10 minutes. So I can actually do this one. I deposit £1 and I make £5 for 4. Okay, I can do this one after this video. Blast blocks 0 of 10 tasks completed. On that, you can complete lots of games here to get paid. Surveys, I forgot surveys. So surveys, you will now be redirected. Okay, they'll send you to take part in this survey. You will need to collect your profile data in order. So I have not completed my profile data. You need to complete it because for the purpose of participating in market research, you need to complete your profile. Okay, it will save you time. Even lottery, you can also play lottery here. You can play lottery here. Imagine you play and win. It's a win-win, right? It's a win-win. So guys, make sure you complete your profile because that's the first step, and boost your chances of getting surveys, because that's the problem you guys have. You don't find surveys. Boost your chances of getting surveys and increase your potential earning by activating your profile, by completing your profile. Okay, and that's it guys. Let me know your thoughts. The name again is Mobrog. This is not clickbait. These platforms are paying. It depends on you if you want to earn. If you want to join the paid Telegram group, link is in the description. Join us there. Let's help you hold your hands one-on-one and figure out how you can start earning from your location. Location, location, location. That is all I keep hearing from you guys. Let's break this cost of location issue. And don't wait for me to start earning before you earn. Luck is not the same. We are not also in the same location. So how much I earn might not be the same you earn. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.